Hey there, I'm Anna, and just like you, I've faced challenges learning English. But do you know what helped me? Stories. And today, you'll learn English through an incredible mystery, the Lost Library. By the end of this story, you'll improve your vocabulary, listening skills, and pronunciation. So don't forget to turn on the subtitles and repeat after me whenever you can. Are you ready? Let's dive into the mystery. Emma walked through the narrow streets of an old European town, the warm glow of streetlights guiding her way. She loved discovering hidden places, and tonight was no different. As she turned a corner, she noticed something unusual. A small wooden door tucked between two buildings. It was old, covered in vines, and above it, faded golden letters read, Bibliotheca Perdita, the Lost Library. Emma hesitated. A lost library? That sounded intriguing. She pushed the door gently. To her surprise, it creaked open with ease. As she stepped inside, she had no idea she was about to uncover a life-changing secret. The room was filled with thousands of books, stacked from floor to ceiling. But something was strange. None of them had titles. Curious, Emma picked up a book and flipped through the pages. Her eyes widened. The story inside was not from the past, but from the future. It described a young boy who had not been born yet, detailing his entire life. From childhood to old age, heart-pounding, Emma grabbed another book. The same thing, stories of people who hadn't lived yet. Then she saw it, a book with her own name on it. You should not be here. Emma spun around, clutching the book tightly. Standing before her was a man in a long dark cloak, the guardian of the library. You must not read that book, he warned, his piercing eyes fixed on her. Knowing your future can change everything. Emma's hands trembled. Should she open the book? Could she resist the temptation? Silence. The weight of the moment presses on Emma. The guardian stepped forward. I will offer you a choice, he said. Write your own ending. But once written, it cannot be undone. Trade your book for someone else's. If she did this, both their destinies would change forever. Emma's mind raced. The temptation to know her future was strong. But was it worth the risk? She closed her eyes, took a deep breath, and made her decision. But what did she choose? Wow, that was intense, right? But what can we learn from this story? Today, you learned new words like library, guardian, and destiny. Try using them in sentences. Like Emma, we all have the power to shape our own stories. Learning English is part of your journey, and every word you learn today brings you closer to your goal. Did you enjoy this mystery? Then hit the like button, subscribe, and don't miss the next story. See you next time.